Okay guys, so now that we went ahead and we completed the metric ladder, and you know what, the last video cut off this part. So in this part we have kilo as the largest of the units. We divide our basic unit by 1,000. An example of this is kilometer, okay, and we use the K as the abbreviation for that. Alright, so when we are going to convert from a larger or smaller unit to each other, we can use this ladder, and we can use a method of doing that. And so that's what this video is going to be about. It's about how you can use the ladder method to move a decimal to convert from different units. So when we're looking at this example here, we have 1,000 milligrams. So we have 1,000 mg. So what we do is, first of all, we have to decide where the decimal goes. The decimal is going to always be at the end of the whole number. It's not there right now because it's imaginary. It doesn't need to be there. However, we always rewrite the number and then write the decimal down. Okay, so the decimal's always at the end of the number. So then we look at our unit. We have milligrams. If we look in at our ladder, we find where milligrams might be. Milligrams would be here because milli, that M is our prefix, okay? And so it would be here. And they want us to go from milligrams to grams. To do that, we have to go 1, 2, 3 spaces up. We have to go to the left 3 spaces. That means that we are, that's the left. That means we're going to have to move our decimal 3 spaces to the left. So we take it and we go 1, 2, 3. All right, well, that means that 1,000 milligrams is going to be equal to 1.0 grams. Pretty simple. Let's try another. All right, we're looking at liter. We have 1 liter. We're going to write our 1 down. All right, the decimal always goes after the whole number, so we write that down. So now we have to find where the liter is. There is only 1 letter here. That means it is going to be a basic unit. So we have the liter. So it's right here. And we want to go to milliliter. So to go from liter to milliliter, we have that M. We know that the abbreviation or the prefix for M is milli. So we need to go from basic unit to milli. To do that, we have to go down the ladder. We have to go down the ladder 1, 2, 3 times. And so we're going to move the decimal 3 times, but because we move the decimal, or we move down the ladder to the right, we're going to move the decimal over to the right. So 1, 2, 3. Now, these little holes right here in my line when I was counting are going to represent placeholders where the 0 goes. So we're going to put in zeros, 1, 2, 3. So 1 liter is equal to 1,000 milliliters. Okay, pretty simple. Let's try another one. We have 160 centimeters. Always start by putting the decimal at the very end of the number. Okay, we have to find where centi is. So centimeters, the centi is the prefix. Here's centi on our map, or on our ladder. And we have to go then to where the prefix, the M, is. So that's the milli. So from going from centi to milli, we only go down 1 step, okay, to the right. So that means we're only going to move our decimal over 1 time to the right. So we only put in 1 placeholder 0. So 160 centimeters is equal to 1,600 millimeters. All right, last example. 14 kilometers. We write down our number. So 14, you add our decimal. Okay, it's always at the end of the whole number. Then we have to find kilometers. There's our K, so that K stands for kilo. So kilo's at the very top of our chart here. Okay, so we go from kilometers then to meters. To do that, we have to go down the ladder 1, 2, 3, okay, steps. And because we went to the right 3 times, we have to move our decimal 3 times to the right. 1, 2, 3. So 14 kilometers is equivalent to 14,000 meters. Okay? I hope this helped, or it was a good review for you. If you need any help, just let me know. You will be tested over this, so this might be a good way to study. Watch this video, practice, maybe do some on your own, and then come in and show me what you've done. All right, I hope this helped. Have a great day, night, whenever you're watching.